What's up, you guys? I got a very special video for you guys. Take a look behind me. You guys ready? Let's get it. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. If you guys don't know me and this is your first time, my name is Matt LeJean. I go by the name of the K9. And welcome to my channel where we keep it 300 just like my ZX. But look, the more important thing about this video today is going to be these three cars right here. Today we got three Nissan Zs. These are the brand new ones coming out. And not only that, it's something very special. We got the Proto Spec. It's the actual Proto Spec trim. We got a performance spec. And we got a base. So we're going to go over all three. And we're going to go ahead and just get a side-by-side comparison. So on a base, one of the main differences that you'll be able to visually see on the cars, there is no front and rear spoiler. This is also rosewood metallic, for those who are wondering what color this is. The one thing I want to talk about on the base is these wheels. So Nissan brought us this car last night. Got some night shots that I'll go ahead and throw up on the screen so you can see it, but I actually really like these wheels. Alright, so here's the wheel for the base model. You can see we're on a 245, 45, 18-inch rim diameter. Like I said, I really like these. I think it looks cool. It's after like it looks really sick. Looks like even on the base, you're still gonna get the keyless entry lock button right here. Pull one of the back, you see the slot for your keyhole. You got a quick little walk around of everything. I'm not too sure how good it's coming up on camera, but on a base model, you're going to get an 8-inch screen. Once you go upgrade to a performance or even Proto Spec, it will be a 9-inch display as well. Apple CarPlay, which is something else on the base you won't see, is the spoiler that the performance spec has. Really like how these base wheels look. They are on a dual pistons brake system in front and rear. And I believe these rotors are about 12.8 inches. I believe the other ones are 12.1 here at the rear. Suspension will be similar on one of the cars. I know the performance is going to have a better option when it gets to that in a second, but the other main difference, you do not get an LSD in a base model, you have to go to a performance spec. Now pointing that out on this model, you can see why transitioning into the premium model is kind of more of the people's choice right now. So alright, you guys, moving into a performance spec, let's just get right into it now. Again, one of the main differences visually is going to be this front lip. You can clearly see on this car versus the other one, did not have this bottom lip. And don't forget your rear arrow as well. Once you go to performance, you're going to hit this nice double spoiler. If you watch my video from Zcon 22, you'll remember that I pointed out that to me this one looks like a Z31 back end. Alright, so now let's talk about the braking systems. That's also an upgrade you're getting with the performance spec. As you can see, we have 4 piston caliper up front. It's going to be, I believe, the active bonos. As well as you have a bigger rotor. This is a 14-inch, so you gain 2 inches more on your rotor. And everybody knows every inch matters, especially in your braking. On the rear, you can see we have, again, another brake upgrade as well. And these are going to be 13.8-inch rotors in the rear. As well as you can tell in the performance spec, you are also getting a different tire. These are getting upgraded to 19, so 275, 35, 19. I believe it's 245 on the base. So you are getting some more for your money. And don't forget, you also are going to get the LSD. Another benefit to the performance will be an upgraded screen, as we went over on the base. You get a 9-inch screen here, so more entertainment for those that care. For those that don't, you got it anyways. Another upgrade you're going to get in your performance spec Z is going to be the Bose audio system with active noise cancellation and active sound enhancement as well, so you do get a better driving experience if you happen to listen to music or podcasts while you're driving in your vehicle. But for those that like to just drive and listen to the motor, don't worry, you'll love that too. favorite thing about the Z is there's only 240 of these made in the US. So these are very special edition, showing heritage to the 240Z. That's the number. Let's go ahead. Alright guys, so here on the Proto Spec, wheel setup's upgraded once more, just a little bit. It's mainly just the wheels. You got a 19-inch forged wheel in this bronze color. You see that the calipers are also painted yellow to match the car with the Z logo. Really cool. And your tires are also going to be upgraded as well. So you're going to 255, 40, 19, and the wheels are 19 by 25, I believe. They're also matching as well. What's up, y'all? Thank you for watching the video. I really hope you guys liked it. The new Z looks so good. I swear, pictures and videos does not do that car justice at all. Nissan did an amazing job. And can we talk about that rosewood? Now I really don't know what color I want. But regardless, you guys, now that we've covered all three versions of the new Nissan Z, I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments which trim level you plan to bring home to your driveway. Do you plan to build something out of a sport? Maybe you want the out-the-box performance of a performance spec. Or maybe you're just a collector who loves the heritage and lineage of the Proto Spec in 240 limited units. Whatever one it is, you guys are gonna love this new Z, believe me. So let me know in the comments which one you guys like. Alright you guys, so the first thing you gotta do is make sure you're subbed and turn on that bell notification, because that way you're gonna know if you get picked in the next video I drop after this one. The second thing you're gonna wanna do is like this video, and the third thing is just comment. You can comment anything. You don't even have to technically comment. You can just put a period and enter that. I don't care. I still might pick you. You might win off a period. It don't matter. So, with that being said, those are the rules, you guys. Very simple. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, throw the art on the screen so you guys can get an idea of what you're gonna get. Trust me, you guys are gonna love these. They're gonna make your room, your shop, your garage, wherever you put these, your office even, they're gonna look really good and you're gonna like it. So all you gotta do, you guys, go crazy in the comments. Tell some friends too who want to win some free stuff. Maybe someone else who you know may not be able to do stuff. So with that being said, y'all, I want to thank you again for watching the video and hanging out with your boy and Talking Z. Over here, again, we keep it 300 like the ZX. My name is Matthew John, aka the Canine, and make sure you guys comment on this video. This is going to be the video you comment on to win, even though I'm going to be picking the second and third winners on 2 future videos. So, with that being said, y'all, I hope you have a great day. Make sure you share this video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.
How it's supposed to feel.